Today we are going to learn volume of parallelopiped with the help of vector. Just like write down parallelopiped. Write down the spelling parallel. You know parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Parallel. P-A-R-A double L E-L-O parallelopiped. Okay. So parallelogram is just like a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Clear? Now, if you are giving, how will you draw the parallelogram? How will you draw? If you look at carefully, parallelogram is just like that. Okay. If you give certain height to this parallelogram, if you are giving height, okay, you just give some elevation to this parallelogram, you will get parallelogram with certain height is known as parallelopiped. This shape is parallelopiped, which I have drawn here now. This is parallelopiped. If you are giving little bit height to the parallelogram, the shape become 3D. The 3D shape of parallelogram is known as parallelopiped. Clear? So we need to find how to find, like we need to understand how to find the volume of this parallelopiped. Now let's see. Let us suppose the sides of the parallelogram are this parallelogram. This parallelogram which I have drawn now, this is parallelogram. Okay. Now you can see here the sides of the parallelogram is denoted by 3 vector. One vector is like this. Okay. This one vector. One vector is like this. Okay. And one vector is like this. I will draw again also separately. But you understand there are 3 vectors, mainly 3 vectors. Like this. Like this. Little bit slant. Okay. I have drawn like this. It is not like that. It is little bit slant. Like this. Like this. Like this. Little bit slant. Let us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from this common point, let us suppose there are 3 vectors are emerging. This A vector, this is B vector, okay, this is C vector. Clear? Let us suppose this angle is alpha, angle between 2 vectors. Angle between like B and C, okay, B is just like that. A and B lying in the XY plane. C is inclined to B and A. Like I have shown now. You can check. Understood? Understood?
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt? Okay. So I have shown like this, like what I need, like if I need to find the volume, then what I needed, like volume is what? Volume is what? The general formula of volume is area of base multiply altitude. Altitude. Clear? Now I will show the entire thing like this. So look at here. Everything which I will show like this. A vector, this is B vector, and this is C vector. Like this is B vector. You can say this is you can take this C vector, and this is B vector. And this is the perpendicular I have drawn from C vector like this. Okay. This is O. Understood?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, if D vector and A vector will lie in XY plane, then where will
They are
C
in the
vector
same
lie?
plane. It may be X, it may be YZ, it may be ZX.
Okay, but all three are lying in the same plane.
No. A, B are in the this plane. You can check. Base is like floor and your home. Okay. C vector is just like little bit inclined. It is not directly like perpendicular. If it is like that, if it is a shape like this is the shape. This shape. It is also parallelopiped. Okay, but general case I am taking this. It is also parallelopiped. Here, like you can check, this is A vector, this is B vector, and C vector is this. Okay.
Sir?
Yes,
So,
yes.
two vectors will lie in the same plane.
Yes, two vectors are lying. They are forming the base.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Again, if I want to draw, I want to show you like, see, my meaning, what is my meaning? This is area of base. Okay, this is A vector, this is B vector. Okay, and C vector is like this. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you want
Yes, sir.
clarity, like you can draw again, no worry.
Understood, sir.
This is A vector, this is B vector, let us suppose. C vector is like that. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If I drop a perpendicular from C on this plane in which A and B vector are there. Okay, like this. This is base. Now how will I show the height? Like this only.
Dropping a perpendicular.
Okay. Understood? This is C
Yes,
vector. This is what? B vector. This is A vector.
sir.
Understood? The same thing I have shown here. You please tell me if you want to find the area. If this is the parallelogram, then area is simply, you can calculate, but if I want volume, for finding the volume, you need what? Height. Okay, you need height. This you need at least this. How much this? Height. Okay,
Yes,
like
sir.
volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. You are writing na L into B into H. Like volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Then length into breadth is what? Area of base, floor. And H is the height from ceiling to the floor. That is H. But if you look at, if I draw your room, how will you draw your room? Like this. This is your room. This is base. Okay. And if I draw your room is just like a cuboid. Okay. And if I ask like, how will you draw? How will you find the volume? This is length, breadth, and this is height. Okay. So this is the area L into B. L into B. which I have written here. Multiply this height. This height. This height is, remember, this height is perpendicular to the area. If this is the area, this height which I have written h, it is perpendicular to the area. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
So volume will be L into B into H, area of base into height. That is the formula. Now same thing I will do, I will derive with the help of vector. But in my case, shape is just not like a cuboid. The height is little bit inclined. Okay. This C vector here, like if I ask you, like forget like parallelopiped. First understand this. If I ask you like this is my shape. This is the shape. And from the origin two vector. One vector is this. A vector. B vector. Then here C vector is just like that. But in our case, A vector is just like that. B vector is this. But C vector is not is like that.
Flat.
Little bit. It is making certain angle like this. Certain angle theta. Little bit like that. It is not perfectly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you please tell me the area of base. How will you find the area of base? How will you find the area of base? Area of base here, base is what? In our case, in case of
Base.
parallelopiped, the base is what? The base is parallelogram. Clear? So A vector, B, in our case, our parallelogram is just like that.
A vector into B vector.
Yeah, very good. But listen, our base is like this. Parallelogram. Parallelogrammatic base. Okay, like this. I will draw separately. Then how will you find the area if vector this is given? A vector. Okay, this is B vector. Okay, this is O. Let us suppose angle between these two vectors is alpha. Alpha. Then how will you find the area? A cross B. A cross B will give the vectorial area. That is mod A, mod B, sine theta, n cap. This is what A vector. Area vector, which I told you, okay? This is only A. Its direction is given by this unit vector. So A cross B will give you the vectorial area. Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
So how will you find, like if I ask you simply, how will you find the area base? Like scalar. If I ask only scalar thing, I'm not asking direction. Then A will be what? Area of base will be mod A, mod B. Our angle is what?
Alpha.
Sine alpha. This is the base area. You got this? But in our case, this is our parallelogram. Height, parallelopiped, height is also there. This is a parallelopiped. But in our case, this C vector is certain angle. It is forming certain angle. Like this. C vector is like this. It is at certain angle. Theta. And if I drop a perpendicular on this base, then please tell me if this is my C vector. This is theta. If I drop a perpendicular on my base, this is height. Okay, area of base into height now. I want this length from here to here. I want this length. This is O. I want this length simply. This. Okay. This is h. How will you find? If this is theta, this is also theta. Okay. Now on this area, you draw a perpendicular. This is h. And here vector is c is like this. How will I show? Like this. This c vector, you are dropping a perpendicular on what? This is h. And this is theta. Okay. Then tell me how to find the c. If you look at carefully, this c is making certain angle theta. Okay. Then how to find? This is also theta. And this c vector. Then if you apply this triangle, you got this triangle BPA. Triangle BPA. Okay. You got this triangle O. Let us, this is Q. This is C or M. You got this triangle. Did you see this triangle OMQ in our case? Okay. These are the three vectors. Base area we got. But I want this height also, because area of base into height. That is a formula, general formula of to find the volume of any shape. Okay. If you want like parallelopiped is simply base is parallelogram. Then tell me what is how to find this h. Triangle. This is our triangle. I want this h. Okay. If this is c vector, means this length is mod c. If this is theta, this is O, this is M, this is Q. Clear? Then how to find this h?
Sin theta, sir.
No. Apply cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. This is 90. This is perpendicular. Opposite to angle, perpendicular. This is hypotenuse, opposite to 90 degree. Whatever remaining, this is base. Base by hypotenuse. Clear? Then h will be mod c cos theta. Even I can write direct formula, but I just want to highlight you. I want simply volume. Here, what is the volume of parallelopiped?
Yes.
So what I have observed, like, you write this. Okay. So volume will be volume of parallelopiped, area of base, that is mod A, mod B, sine alpha, multiply height. Height is what? Mod C cos theta. Clear? Now you please tell me, what is this mod A, mod B, sine alpha?
It is the area of the base, sir.
Can I say like this? This I have written like, if I simply say volume, if I say this volume of parallelopiped, it is just like a vector, volume vector. We are saying like that. Let us suppose. But actually it is not. Okay. How can you say that it is not a vector? Volume is not a vector. Reason is that if you look at carefully, mod A, mod B, sine alpha, it is what? It is a, tell me, it is a area.
Vectorial area.
Area, not, yes, vectorial, but vectorial area magnitude. Okay.
Magnitude
Magnitude of vectorial area. mod like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And mod C cos theta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then if it is so, how can you write this? Can you write this A dot C? Can we write?
Yes, sir.
Can we write? Up to this, any doubt?
Sir, I'm not able to get this A dot C.
I am saying mod A, mod B, sin alpha. It is what? It is a magnitude of that vectorial area. This I have denoted now. This A is what?
Okay.
I have written na A. A is what? This A is mod
Now I
of like this.
yes, sir. I got it now.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Vectorial area has like direction and magnitude. That magnitude is this mod A, which I have written mod A vector. Understood? I will
Yes,
write
sir.
direct formula later that you have to remember, but concept is that how to apply the concept. So mod A mod C kind of cos theta. So it is just like a dot B cos theta, and dot product is always scalar.
Hmm.
Okay, so this volume which I have found like volume of parallelopiped, it's a scalar thing. Okay, it is not a vector. First of all, this is our first learning. But vectorial area is vector area. It's not that. Completely different thing. Okay, any doubt?
Yes,
And
no doubt, sir.
okay, then it is okay. Now see, A dot C. A dot C is what? I will write. Volume is what? What you got? A dot C. And what is A vector? A cross B dot C. Can we write? Okay. So volume is equal to what? A cross B dot C vector. This is very important relation. And this entire thing is known as, from here to here, it is known as scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Okay, this A cross B which we have found now, actually it is A vector, vectorial area. Understood? This is very important. And one in what way? How will I write? Like this A cross B, A cross B dot C. How will you write? Like we will make a box and write A B C. How we are doing? A cross B dot C. Then how will you write? First you will write in box A, then B, then C. A B C. Okay, this is the way. Then how will you read? This is what? This is what? Box A B C. Clear? A cross B
Yes, sir.
dot C. Simple. Scalar triple product. Now listen one. If I write, you will tell me. Remember one thing. A B C. If I write A B C, meaning is that B C A. First I write A cross B dot C. Then I write B cross C dot of A. Then I write C cross A dot B. A B C. How will I write? First I write A B C. Then B C A C A B. So what I am doing? You just check A B C. Now in place of C, what I did? I am taking this B to the left. If you look at carefully, A B C. I am taking this B here. It will be B, A, C. One time you change. Okay. Again you change C or A place. Just like that. B, C, A. If I write simply box A, B, C, these are equal. Okay, remember one thing. Box A, B, C, box B, C, A, box C, A, B. A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. You should remember this. These three are equal. But order should be there. First you write A, B, C, then B, C, A, then C, A, B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So up, if I ask like how to write like B cross B, C, A, here
B
like
cross C dot.
if I write simply B, C, A, then here B, C is making the base of the parallelogram and A is making the altitude part. Then how will you write B cross C dot A? Clear? If I write C, A, B,
C cross A dot B.
C cross A dot B. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
all these things are equal. Understood? So volume of
Yes,
now
sir.
again you should imagine this concept. Same concept you will imagine like this. I will draw a parallelopiped like this. Okay. If I will ask you, see, very interesting topic this is. If this is a vector from the O, three vectors are coming. One is a vector. This is B vector. And this is C vector. Clear? If I say like this is our height, okay, and it is little bit in, like this, theta. Now A cross B, if I ask A cross B, A cross B will give the vectorial area. A cross B. Now my question is, its direction can be outward or inward. Okay. The A cross B will give the vectorial area. Its direction may be outside or out of the plane or into the plane. But how will you draw? If I ask you like A cross B, A vector is what? Mod of A into n cap. Meaning is zeta.
Yes, sir.
Then how will you draw this A vector? Its direction will be like this. Its direction will be like this. This is C vector. Remember, this is C vector. This is C vector. Imagine this C vector. Okay. This is A vector. Okay. It is perpendicular. Either out of the plane or into the plane. If you shift this vector parallelly, okay. If you shift this vector, which is perpendicular, that is area vector, parallelly, we can shift. Okay. Then can I say this is also area vector? Direction. Okay. Direction only. Look at the direction. Here also I have shown like this is area vector. So if you project this vector, this C vector, can you project little bit like this? Then dot product of this A and C. A vector dot C vector will give the volume of parallelopiped. Simple. Okay. So if you have given like this is any shape like this rectangular base and any shape like this cuboidal shape. Okay, then how will you see? Here A vector will be like this. This is A vector perpendicular to the plane. Okay, and this is C vector. And this is A vector, and this is V vector. Okay, now if you look at carefully, C vector I can show like this also. I can project. Okay, now the C vector and A vector are in the same direction. Okay, so volume will be simple A dot C. A dot C. And what is that? Mod of A, mod of C. What is the angle between them? Tell me. Both are parallel, cos 0. So volume will be mod A, mod C, cos 0, 1. This is the volume. And you know, for example, if mod A is what? How to find the mod A? Clear? Mod C, you know how to find? So simply volume of parallelopiped is a dot product of area vector with a C vector. Any third vector. So V will be A dot C. Remember this. That is volume of parallelopiped. Really, so much depth I have kept in this. If you ask me, like, this is, where is the area vector? Area vector will be like this. Okay, it is visible. This is area vector.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
This is area vector. Area vector. Area vector is always, many area vectors will be coming out. Direction, area vector. You can project, you can translate any vector parallel to itself without changing the magnitude. This is what I have explained. Meaning is that, for example, if you ask me, this is the plane. How to draw the area vector on this? If two vectors are given, A vector and this is V vector from point O. Clear? Then how will you draw the area vector? Area vector will be like this. Perpendicular to the plane. It may be outside, it may be inside, into the plane. Depends on n cap. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Now, dot, if any third side is given, for example, C vector is given, they will give. For example, C vector is like this. If C vector is like this, okay, and area vector is like this, perpendicular, 90. Okay, if this is theta, this is also theta. You can take this little bit extent. This is also theta. Okay, C vector, A vector. So you can write volume will be A dot C. Angle between this these two will be like this. This theta. Understood? But
Yes,
area
sir.
vector is always perpendicular to the plane. It may be out of the plane. It may be into the plane. The
Interesting.
angle at which C vector is inclined, the same angle between the same angle will be in between area vector and the C vector. That is our one more observation. Okay. Here you have seen, like, what is our observation? The angle between area vector and C vector will be the same. The angle at which it is inclined. Okay. For example, this is if you look at the back, first shape. If you look at carefully this shape, here area vector will be like this, perpendicular. Okay. And C vector is like this. What is the angle between these two? Same angle.
Theta.
Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir,
So
understood.
this is the way simple area vector dot C vector. If you are taking area vector like first I take A, B, then C. C will be the clear. If I take B and C, B, C, and take A there, yes, we can. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir, clear.
ABC, BCA, CAB, their scalar triple product remain same. So one question write down a question. Find the volume of, find the, but in your syllabus simple, but you understand, you should understand the meaning, how to find what is the meaning of volume of parallelopiped. Clear? But formula simply apply if three vectors are given, A cross B dot C. How to write this in box? Write ABC. Okay. Write a question. Find the volume of, write down, find the volume of parallelopiped maybe my spelling is not okay. No need to worry. Spelling is nobody is going to check. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
In meter cube, whose edges, whose edges are represented. You know, if I am teaching in any institute, na coaching class anywhere, they will not give me that much time to elaborate. There I am teaching simply A cross B dot C. Lot of pressure, lot of things. That is the benefit of personal tutoring, one to one. Okay, because there a lot of pressure is there. Completion the syllabus. Students are many, like, so some want different tastes. Like different people have different tastes. But actually, learning in depth, it is a need of our. Right on. We have having three vector, A vector and 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. This is A vector. B vector is I cap plus 2j minus k cap. This is B vector. C vector is that 3i cap minus j cap plus 2k. Okay, please solve. Okay, some all are having the unit meter. So how to find the area of vector? Take any ABC, BCA, whatever option I'm giving. First find A cross B. Option I'm giving. First option 6 meter cube. Option B 7. Option C 8. Option D 9. Clear? Very
Yes,
easy,
sir.
simple. So write this question. A vector is given. Did you write?
Yes, sir, I know.
So A vector is given, B vector is given, C vector is given. You need to find the volume. So volume, you can take any two for making the base. You can take any two. Like you can take ABC. Okay. A vector, B vector. How will you do? Volume. You need to find volume A cross B dot C. So first find A cross B. Make a determinant like this. Write I vector, Z vector, K vector. Okay. A vector is how much? 2 minus 3, 4. Write the coefficient. What is B vector? 1, 2, minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now find A cross B. What you are getting? Simple. I cap. It will be minus 3 to 4 minus 1 minus J 2 1 4 minus 1 plus K 2 1 minus 3 2. Solve this. I cap cross multiply. Do the cross multiplication. Okay. Like this. So how will you write? Minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3, minus 2 into 4, 8, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 4 into 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Plus K. K cap. 2 to the 4. 1 into minus 3. Minus 3, 1 minus. Plus 3. So it is minus 5I cap. Minus 2 minus 4. Minus 6. Plus 6A. Plus 4 plus 3. 7K. Okay. You got A cross B. Now do the dot product. How much you got? A cross B. Minus 5I plus 6J. Okay. C is what? 3I minus J plus 2K. Dot 3I minus J plus 2K. That is C vector. Okay. Now take the dot. How will you take the dot? Take the
Yes, sir.
corresponding minus 5 like this. Corresponding element. Now you will say, sir, volume is coming out to be negative. No, volume cannot be negative. Okay. Here, this minus take modulus sign. Whenever you're solving such question, always take modulus sign. How much? Minus 21 plus 4. How much? 14. 7 meter cube. Answer is B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, if three vectors are coplanar, then what is box ABC? Tell me. If three vectors, A vector, B vector, question is that C vector are coplanar. These are coplanar. Coplanar means all are lying in the same
Lines.
plane. If they are lying in the same plane, then what is the value of box ABC? That is volume of parallelopiped. Tell me. Here C vector is like this. What is that? A, B, C vector in previous case is like this. Okay. It is making an angle how much? Theta. Okay. Now, in our case, C vector is also lying in the same plane. Like this. Now, what is the angle? How much? How much C angle is making? How much?
90 degrees.
Very good. Very good. So, angle the angle which is this C vector is making with this same angle will be here, na? A vector dot C vector. This is what you have learned. Okay. And it will be mod A, mod C,
Sir.
cos 90. That's why answer is 0. Okay. That's why this box, everyone is teaching like box ABC 0. How it is 0 like this? Box ABC. Box ABC is 0. If three vectors are coplanar. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And even if you take A cross B, this A vector is A cross B. It will be perpendicular to the plane containing ABC. Then it is perpendicular to C also. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So I will convey you one message. This I think vector is almost finished. I think nothing is left. This chapter is finished. Vector only. Forces are left. So in the next class, maybe tomorrow onwards, I will discuss types of force like gravitational force, tension force, spring forces, basic fundamental force we will learn. Then how to apply free body diagram, connected mass system. Lot of depth is there. Entire mechanics I will discuss here only. Friction problem, tension problem. You have learned only one or two types, but I will discuss many types. Pulley string problem, constraint relation, which I taught you in foundation ninth. I will teach here in depth. Okay. So do one thing like I have shared or not. I have shared one PDF for vector. So try to solve numericals. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vector is basics only. You will not use this much complex volume of parallelopiped. You should know the meaning. Okay. If you don't know the meaning, then there is no use. Clear?
Yes.
So in exam, I don't know what they will ask. We can't expect anything, but we should learn in the things. Okay. So thank you so much, Valamika. Take care. Bye bye. And don't take stress in
Thank you.
physics. Never take. I'm saying physics is very easy. You can ask any doubt, anytime. Don't take physics.
Yes, sir.
Physics, I will make you very easy. Okay. And don't never take any burden of studies. Never take physics as
Yes.
burden. Clear?
Yes.
Always enjoy the physics. Learn, imagine. Physics is just like imagination. Imagine. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Good night.
Thank you. Good night, sir.
Good night.